This is a makeup technique that you should consider. Welcome back to Weekday Nights with Jamal and H. So today we're going to be talking about color correcting, what it is and how to use it. Color correcting is a technique that uses complementary colors to neutralize unwanted tones like redness, dark spots, purple under eye circles. Basically, it helps balance out skin discolorations. The principle behind color correcting is to use the opposite color on the color wheel to neutralize the unwanted color. Concealers, on the other hand, are used to conceal and a lot of times brighten up the T-zone, so do not get these two confused. Color correcting is applied underneath your foundation and concealers, although I personally also use it to balance out the undertones of my foundation and concealers. We have 5 different shades right here. These are from e.l.f. by the way, so we have the blue, the yellow, the green, orange, and peach. So how to know which color corrector to use. So here's a quick summary. Green camouflages redness in all skin types. Blue offsets yellow and orange tones in all skin types. Orange camouflages dark spots in tan to rich skin tones. Peach camouflages dark spots in fair to medium skin tones. And yellow camouflages dullness in fair to medium skin tones. Now let's get into the specifics. How to color correct redness. So redness from breakouts and skin irritations can be neutralized with green color corrector. A little makeup hack, you can also use this one to make your harsh color blush look more subtle. How to color correct dullness. So basically, yellow color correctors brightens up the face. It neutralizes purple and blue undertones and can also cover bruises, veins, or purple under eye circles. I personally also use this one to mix with my foundation and concealers that has cool undertones, or if I just want to brighten up my face. This will literally make you look fresh. How to color correct dark circles and dark spots. Now, I did say earlier that yellow color correctors can neutralize dark circles, but it really depends on your skin tone. Basically, yellow color correctors works best for fair to medium skin tones that has yellow undertones. Peach, on the other hand, works best for fair to medium skin tones that has cool undertones. I personally have neutral undertones, so peach and yellow works best for me. Now, if you have deeper skin tone, orange and peach will provide you a more natural looking results. How to color correct warm tones. Now, if you've recently just purchased a foundation or concealer that's a little bit too warm for your skin, do not throw it out. A blue color corrector works like magic in neutralizing and toning down orange hues in the formula to better match your skin. Now I'm going to show you how I apply my makeup step by step. Once you finish your skincare, we are going to proceed to step 1, prime. Primer will help the products grip better, especially this one from e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This is like a glue for the makeup. Next, apply color corrector. Allow the primer to set before applying this. There is no specific order to put your color correctors. This will depend on where your discoloration is. I do have a little bit of dark under eye and some acne scars that need to be covered up, so I'll be mixing yellow and peach to match my neutral skin tone. Now that we're done, as you can see, we have a blemish-free base. It's time for foundation. You can choose whatever coverage you prefer, lightweight for a natural looking finish, or medium to full coverage that gives a smooth finish and will stay all day. I prefer using medium to full coverage, but you do you. Lighter shade concealers are amazing for brightening up your face after applying foundation. Apply it on the T-zone and blend it well. With the base ready, let's finish off the rest of the makeup and finally using a setting spray to lock in the products and ensure that your makeup stays put all day and night. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, follow me on social so we can stay connected. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. See you on the next one.